Alright, hello everyone. So we are inside a military base here in Phetchaburi in Thailand. So nag-ocular kami because kung nakikita niyo po yan, this is what they call the palace. I'm not sure why. Maybe the head of the base stays in there. I'm not sure. But anyway, they call it the palace, and this is basically where we will be performing. Tomorrow, dito po, makita nyo, ano? So mapupuno yan ng mga silya. So tomorrow will be the opening ceremony of the festival. Ngayon, puro rehearsal, puro ocular. Ayan, ano? So, again, tomorrow will be the opening ceremony. Pero on the second day, I will be performing here. Yan, nakikita nyo po yung stage na yan. Diyan po kami kakanta ni Nicolo. Ako lang kakanta. Ay, mangal pa. Siya lang daw kakanta. So, kakanta po dyan si Nicolo. So on the second day, on that stage, mauuna ako, Philippines, and then I will be followed by Singapore. Kasunod kami nila Benjamin. Paper Monkey Theater from Singapore. Pero mauuna muna kami ni Nicolo. Hopefully maraming tao dito and they will like the performance. And not just by the Philippines but also by Singapore. Okay, pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Ayan. Excited na kinakabahan dahil first time namin kakanta para sa ganito kalaking crowd. Alam mo yung yung language barrier ang problema. Pero naisip ko, mas maganda nga yung kakanta ka kaysa mag-spill ka, di ba? Kasi kung may language barrier na, tapos ang gagamitin mo spills, jokes, mas mahirap maintindihan yun. Unless may mga English-speaking na audience, ano? Pero kung may language barrier man at kakanta ka, I think it's better. No? Maintindihan mo nila yung kanta o hindi. They listen to the music. Hopefully they appreciate. Malaman niyo bukas, God willing. Ay, hindi pala bukas. 2 days from now, God willing. Okay, see ya.